In this episode of Encap TV, I'm going to talk to you about grapefruit. What in the world does grapefruit have to do with Releasit? Well, stick around and you'll find out. So, why am I holding a grapefruit in my hand as I talk to you about Releasit? Well, we've just recently switched to using Grapefruit Essential Oil as our fragrance in the Releasit product line. We had been using an orange synthetic fragrance that gave it a fresh citrus scent, smelled really good, kind of a light sweet orange scent, but it was from a synthetic fragrance, and now we've moved over to using a natural Grapefruit Essential Oil. It's still a light, fresh citrus scent, but it smells terrific. That grapefruit smell just smells so good. It smells clean. It's not overpowering. It doesn't really knock your socks off. It's not like some gross heavy-duty cherry fragrance like some products use really strong fragrances. I've never gone in for that with Releasit. We like to keep it smelling natural. Originally, the Releasit product line was made with tea tree oil. The problem we had with tea tree oil was sometimes as people would spray it in an atomized application, it would sometimes cause people to cough because of the terpenes in the tea tree oil. So we switched to that orange scent, which smelled really good, smelled fresh, but we prefer to use a natural oil like this Grapefruit Essential Oil. So I think you're going to like it because it smells really good. It has a nice light grapefruit fragrance as you work with it, and again, it's all natural. It's Grapefruit Essential Oil. We thought long and hard about what would really make Releasit even better, and we think that this Grapefruit Essential Oil, although it's just a small change, I think it's something that you're going to like. It blends well with the surfactants and the other scents that are naturally present in the product line. It blends well with that, and again, it's not overpowering. It's just a light grapefruit scent that kind of just lingers in the air as you're cleaning. I think you're going to like it. Your customers are going to like it. It's just one more way that we're trying to help you max your Encap here at Excellent Supply. So hopefully you'll enjoy the new fragrance. Share your comments below, please, what you think about the grapefruit scent, and subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you for watching this episode of Encap TV. If there's anything we can do to help you here at Excellent Supply, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Have a great day.